In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom audience field and merge tag. Before we begin, here's what we're doing and why it matters. Audience fields let you store extra details about your contacts. Things like a phone number, membership level, or preferred store location. Merge tags are the short codes you'll use to pull those details into emails and automations for personalization. By setting these up correctly, you make your messages smarter and more relevant, without having to type the same info over and over. Start by clicking Audience. This takes you to the place where your contact list lives and where you can manage how information is stored. Next, click the three dots beside the audience you want to edit. That opens a quick Actions menu so you can jump straight to the right settings without hunting around. Choose Audience Settings. This is where you control the structure and behavior of your audience data. Then click Audience Fields and Merge Tags. You're now in the control panel for the information you collect and the tags that reference it in your messages. Click Create New Field. You're adding a brand new slot of information that every contact can optionally have. In Field Name, type the name you want to see on forms and in your database. Keep it clear and human-friendly, like phone number or preferred language. Remember, this is what teammates and subscribers might see, so choose something obvious. In Data Type, select Text. This is the most flexible option and works well for most simple entries, including phone numbers, loyalty IDs, or short notes. If you plan to do math or date-based automations later, you can revisit this choice, but text is a safe starting point for general use. In Merge Tag, type the short code you'll use inside emails and templates. A simple uppercase word with no spaces works best, like phone. Consistency matters here. Pick a tag name that your team will recognize instantly. Avoid special characters so it renders correctly everywhere. In default merge tag value, type what should appear when a contact doesn't have that field filled out. A neutral placeholder like NA prevents awkward blank spots in your emails and keeps your layouts tidy. You can also choose something friendly like not provided if it better fits your brand voice. Finally, click Save Changes. Your new field is now part of your audience, and the merge tag is ready to use in templates, automations, and segments. From here, you can start collecting that data on forms or import it alongside your contacts, and your messages will automatically personalize wherever that tag appears.